stopped recording again. Slide that on. It's right in the groove there. Good. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this thing. I'm running out of space on my phone on the video. That goes into the. Let's unravel this. Alright. And plug it into the back of this. Yeah, for power. Okay. Flimsy. Amazing how much power is going to go through this little box. Get out of there. Let's see. No. It does not fit all the way in. It sticks out a little. Now, where in the world am I going to find some power? I have no idea. I hope this thing got power over here. Wait a minute. Let's see. Do we have power? We have power. So let me unplug it because I don't want to plug all that stuff up. Or do I? I don't want to plug this up to my computer while the power's on. Ooh, wouldn't that be a mess? I should use a test computer first instead of my main computer. I advise you to do that if you got one. I'm just going to unravel this. Sorry about the unfocus being up close. That's what it's all about, right? Seeing how much trouble it is to get the thing hooked up. Alright, so I'm going to take this plug here that came with the unit and plug it into the back of, is it the back or the front? I'm going to plug it into there. Right there. Oh man, I got to sneeze. Let's see. Everything is sort of self-explanatory. As you can see, you know how these things go. You can see the little, like a little house or something. Let me sneeze. Let's see now. Take this little part here that looks like a little house. And plug it right into the back side of the house. There you go. It doesn't go all the way in either. So don't try to plug it all the way in, I guess. Now, I'm going to plug I'll plug all my items in here. Every item that I have, I'm going to plug it into this. Let's see, I got to figure out what's up with the bag. But right now, we'll worry about that later. Because when I come home from work, I'm going to have to... I don't want to have to think of anything. I just want to plug and play. Plug this in. Plug up my mouse. And plug the mouse in. Everything is except this planter. I'm sure there's speed on the front of these things. I have to figure that out by looking at the booklet. Plug that one in. See how messy these things can get. There's one there. And last but not least, my camera. Because I don't want to have to come home every day and plug in and plug out. Plug in one thing in and be done with it. Put the camera in. I got 2 more plugs. Got 3 really. I know that these mean something. I'll figure that out one day. But for now, I'm plugged in there. Now I got to plug in the main the main into a computer system here. And I think I would plug it right over here. Yep. There you go. And let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's doing its thing. And I haven't even plugged it into the wall yet. Actually, I've plugged it into the wall. Do I have power? Yeah, I got power. It's producing its own power. Let me plug in the external power, which is. Let's see, where did I do with the external power? Oh, here it is. Let's plug in the external power because I know that these things need juice. External power is. This is awkward. I'm telling you, this is awkward. Let's plug in the external power here. Yeah, this unit is sort of awkward. But the idea, I suppose, is to get the thing plugged in and never unplug it again. Alright, so you got power plugged in, all these units plugged in. The computer is doing its thing. I wonder if it's looking for me to say something. Let's see. It's hard to say. Let's move our recording unit over here. Looks like it's finished. Looks like it's finished. My mouse working, as you can see. Keyboard's working. Let's see, is my voice working? Don't know, let's see. Let's check out if my voice is working. I can tell by looking at let's see. Yep, voice is working, and I'm going to test the voice. Just as a plug and play, as you can see, that's working pretty good. Let's record, and you won't be able to hear what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna play it and see if it comes back to my headset. It does not. But it looks like computer audio is picking up. Let's check the sound on it. Let's see. Maybe because I didn't have the sound up. Let's try one more time. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can hear it. You may not be able to hear it. It's coming out through my speakers. I want it to come through the headset. So looks like it's working pretty good, y'all. I'm liking it. Headset. Record 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's coming through. You can't hear it, but it's coming through. Alright, that's really good. So far I'm happy. Now, for the big test, the camera. Let's see if the camera is working. Let's see if the camera is going to work. Alright. Now, how do I check the cam? Let's see. I'm going to go over here and click this. And let's see if it's going to come through. It says select which webcam to use. Integrated or Logitech? Let's use that one. Yep, there you are, buddy. Yeah, and the green light comes on and everything. So I think that this is a good test of this unit. We'll see how many years it's going to last. Once again, today is March 27th, 2019. It was just a plug and play. just a plug and play. Not sure how it's gonna run, but so y'all can see my mug. I hope I ain't got too much stuff in the way here. Yeah. So Kenny Quasar coming at you from Ken.com with a review of the Amazon Basic 7-port USB 2.0 hub. So I give it a thumbs up for now. All right, you guys take it easy. Talk to you later.